Bye, Gabby. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another video. We are here at this lake, but if you look in the background, well, you can't see it right now, but we are walking along the shore of a very beautiful river that leads on to a beautiful waterfall. I'm surprised, like, there's not that much fish if you, like, maybe if you look closely there could be some, but there's really not that much stuff. Kind of wish there was some.
Go in there!
Gabby! Look at that murky water. You know, sometimes there could be like turtles waiting here or like eels.
Oh, touch this here.
Shut up.
Can I do this family?
Look at that. So, Gabby, anything you want to say?
Um.
Bye, guys. See you later.